Hey, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel that saves you from making dumb purchases. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing. On the left, we have the Sovol SV06, and on the right, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max. It's David versus Goliath, but with more plastic and fewer slingshots. Let's get into it. First up, the almighty dollar. The Sovol SV06 comes in at a wallet-friendly $249. That's right, folks, less than a fancy dinner for two in New York City. Meanwhile, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is strutting in with a price tag of $719. That's more like a month's rent in a shoebox apartment. So if you're balling on a budget, the Sovol is already looking like your new BFF. Now, let's talk speed. The Sovol SV06, after a little firmware update, can hit 150 millimeters per second. Not bad, right? But hold on to your print beds, because the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max can zoom up to 500 millimeters per second. That's like comparing a tortoise to a cheetah on Red Bull. The Kobra is clearly built for those who want their prints done yesterday. Size matters, or so they say. The Sovol SV06 has a respectable print size of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters. Think of it as a cozy studio apartment. But the Kobra 2 Max? It's got a massive 420 by 500 millimeters print size. That's a penthouse suite. You could print a small village with that thing. So, if you're planning to print life-sized replicas of your favorite characters, the Kobra's got your back. Feature time. The Sovol SV06 has a classic i3 structure, dual-gear direct drive, and can print up to 300. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Meanwhile, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max isn't just about speed and size. It's got smart app control, effortless auto-leveling, and vibration compensation. This thing is practically a Tesla with a print head. Let's talk user experience. The Sovol SV06 is designed for easy assembly in just 5 steps. Even if you're all thumbs, you'll be printing in no time. Plus, it's got a silent board, so no more noisy printing marathons. On the flip side, the Kobra 2 Max offers remote control via an app. You can print from your couch, your bed, or even your neighbor's Wi-Fi if you're feeling cheeky. But it's also a bit more complex, so if you're a newbie, the learning curve might feel like climbing Everest. And finally, customer service. Sovol offers a 1-year warranty and promises a 24-hour response time. Sounds like they've got your back, right? Anycubic also provides a 1-year warranty, but with extra conditions. The print head is only covered for 3 months, and the heated bed for 6 months. It's like buying insurance with a lot of fine print. So, who do you trust more? The choice is yours. When it comes to online reviews, the Sovol SV06 is praised for its print quality, ease of assembly, and affordability. Reviewers also appreciate its self-leveling capabilities and overall ease of use, despite some minor design issues and occasional customer service hiccups. On the other hand, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is lauded for its fast and precise printing, advanced features, and good customer support. However, it has faced some minor issues with the LCD screen and filament entanglement. Overall, both printers have their strengths and weaknesses, but they are well regarded in the 3D printing community. So, there you have it. The Sovol SV06 and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max, 2 titans of the 3D printing world. Which one's right for you? The budget-friendly, straightforward Sovol? Or the feature-packed, high-speed Anycubic? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep printing, keep saving, and as always, buy smart. Product links are in the description.